But as that water was going through my hair, I had to talk myself through it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Before I do anything else, I want to thank you, subscribers. I want to thank you for your support as always. Thank you for encouraging me and helping me on this journey. You don't know how encouraged and uplifted I am when I wake up in the morning and I see your comments. For those people that have been watching my videos early in the morning or late at night, thank you. I appreciate you so much. And if you're watching this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. And become a part of the Gene G family. I love seeing that I have new subscribers and more people watching and listening to what I have to say. I, last night, decided to just spray my hair, just missed it some. And I just went through with my fingers. And I've decided now that I need to shampoo my hair. I like the way my hair has been looking since I used the Sisterlock shampoo. I'm getting the look that I've seen in some of my clients' hair with the more spiral look. It seems to be locking better. Even though I like the feel of my hair better when I use the Design Essentials, that Sisterlock shampoo has been helping with my locking. And my ends seems to be becoming a little bit tighter as I use the Sisterlock shampoo. Now I'm wondering if I use the Sisterlock shampoo on my ends and the Design Essentials on the rest of my head, my scalp, because I love the tingling from the Design Essentials. What effect that would have on my hair. I know it wouldn't affect it negatively, but maybe I won't have the, I don't know. I really don't know what it's going to do, but that's how I'm going to shampoo my hair today. And I'm going to shampoo my hair, and I'm not going to braid and band in the interest of time because I have to go out today and work in the salon. So I'm going to shampoo my hair, I'm going to get dressed, and I am going out. Yes, I am. And I am just going to be strong. I'm going to call myself strong in the Lord today when I say that I'm being strong, because I know the feeling I get when I shampoo my hair without braiding and banding. I realize that that is something that I struggle with. Even though I don't necessarily have to braid and band, it bothers me. I realize too that that's how life is. Though something may not negatively affect you, it may cause you to have some feelings that are not necessarily true. I feel like my hair is too heavy. Some people may feel like the situations that they're in is impossible. And all this happens in our minds. And it's just amazing that what may bother me may not bother you. But it's in all how we handle those situations. how we approach what we already know bothers us, how we approach those things that may worry us. But we have to remember, there's a saying that I've read somewhere, that worrying is like a rocking chair. It goes back and forth, but it doesn't go anywhere. It will not take you anywhere. You will be at a standstill. So let's think about our situations. We're going to be strong in the Lord and the power of His might. Some of you right now don't have that strength that comes from God because you've not let Him enter into your heart. Some of you, or some of us, struggle with some things in our lives and we need some help from others. I did a video some time ago about seeking wise counsel. And there are people in this world that are trained and can help us with those things we struggle with. And I'm going to place that video in the cards right up here so you can take a look at it and listen if you need to. But right now I'm going to go and take my shower, shampoo my hair without braiding and banding, and come back and let you know how I survived. Okay, I'm back. I survived not braiding and banding. I certainly did. I did. Now let me show you what I have. It felt so good to feel the Design Essentials tingling on my scalp. And I'm going to tell you about my process. While I was washing my body, or right before, I just went ahead and I drenched my hair in the water. And then I added the Sisterlock starter shampoo on my ends. After that, I added the Design Essentials to my scalp. Oh my, it felt so good. It felt so good. I did not know how much I missed that feeling. And now, because it's a peppermint oil in that shampoo, my scalp is still feeling really cool. And I think that's the process I'm going to use from now on. But as that water was going through my hair, I had to talk myself through it and tell myself that my hair was just as strong as it was as a loose natural, and that I was going to survive this process. And I kept telling myself, be strong in the Lord and the power of His might. I had to encourage myself. That's what I want you to do. I want you to encourage yourself through these challenges that you may be facing in your life. I have to encourage myself through the challenges that I face in life. I send prayers to my son. I was able to talk to my nephew. He's off of the ventilator. And my brother FaceTimed me and he talked to me. And he was interested in what I was eating yesterday. I am so grateful to God for the things that He's doing. And then I spoke to someone yesterday whose child is going through difficulties with mental issues. I talked to someone yesterday whose cousin is going through mental issues. And what we have to realize is that they are all challenges. There's sicknesses and there's treatment for those things. And we just have to be cognizant of what people are going through Be there for them. Encourage them. We have to try to be strong in certain situations, but sometimes, you know what? We can go ahead and let ourselves be weak, because it is in those times that God can show up and be strong in your life. I hope you enjoyed this video and not only got information about Sisterlocks, but you can take something today that I just said and apply it in your life to be able to help you or help someone else. And I just want to know that I love the people. I love you subscribers. And those that are watching and have not subscribed, I love you too, with the love of God, because He lives within me and God is love. And I just want to thank you for watching, and know that this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God, because He's been so good to me. And He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I'm going to lower this camera and let you see my hair and let you see what it looks like while it's still damp, because it is damp. And I like this look. And I am not afraid. I don't feel uncomfortable right now. While I am doing my client's hair today, I am going to use my goodie clip just to clip it back like this out of my face. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw it back now in the back. And now I'm going to do a 360 for you. Enjoy your day. God bless you all.